Welcome back, guys, here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I've got a 1999 Plymouth Prowler with 6,000 miles. That's it, just 6,000 miles. Not bad at all. V6 car, dual exhaust. It's got the looks. It looks great too. I mean, paint job's near flawless. Somebody added a tach. Under detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available. Go to maplemotors.com. Check out our website every Monday for new inventory. And of course, most of our cars are all classics, so they're not going to be absolutely perfect. But this one, I don't know. I'm going to have to look real close to find some problems. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so I'm all buckled up. I'm ready to go. We're going to take off down the road. And I know these aren't made with the best suspension around. So we should be able to feel everything in the road. Let's go. Speedo is working, all of our gauges. Y'all fell. Can't believe you fell on me like that. You gotta stay on the window. It was on the little right nose over there on the side, and I guess it just didn't get a good suction. Coming back through our parking lots. This is actually Brian's Motorsports. I was cutting back through. We'll get back out on the main street and do it again. Why not? A little bit more of an open road. Pretty quick. I mean, pretty much all aluminum frame on these. I don't know what the horsepower was, but if I was to guess, I'd say 270, 280. Running pretty good. Now, all of our gauges are working. Good oil pressure, temp sensor. Everything's working. Speedo seems correct. And I've got the heat on. Turn it all the way up. Make sure I stay warm. Too cold out here. Don't have anything on the dash, obviously. This is a 6,000 mile car, so all the lights are clean and clear. Now, of course, I'm still going to try to light up the undercarriage, see if I can find a pothole or something that we can dip into. Nice. Kick down's hooked up. We'll pull up in the parking lot over here. Our thing, in with picking out the flaws. That's chips, scratches, rust, dents, all of that stuff needs to be gone over. Of course, every car that I do, I try not to miss anything. This one's going to be very easy when it comes to the walk around, since it's such low mileage. I'm going to try to find us a little like hole to go over, like a pothole, and I'll set you down in it, and then I'm going to light the undercarriage up. We'll look at the underside. Should be as clean as the top. We'll get some outside shots zooming by the camera. Too bad they're fixing all the potholes around here. It's the only time I complain about it. Night. I'll be right back. So I got y'all on my screen here, and we're gonna take off, head on back to the lot. Pretty simple test drive. Newer model car, so. And I got them undercarriage shots for you. Hopefully you enjoyed that. All the vitals are good. Yes, the mileage is going up. The heat is blasting. I'm actually kind of hot. Between the jacket and the heat blowing on my legs, it's steamy in here. So it works very well. Well, it runs and drives exactly the way it's supposed to. But I can tell you it's already gotten some attention just from being out. This definitely stands out, so. You pull into a gas station, somebody's walking up to check it out. We're gonna pull back into the lot, picking out the flaws that's coming up next. I'm looking for chips, scratches, rust, dents, just like I always do. I'll probably try to get at least one more test drive done today before I leave. I don't know, traffic's starting to get a little thick. Guys, if you don't mind, with your help, I can continue to make these videos every single day. Please hit subscribe and share this video. That's all you gotta do. Other than that, check us out on Mondays. That's when we update. See you later. Right, this one's going to be very easy, but we're going to walk this ride, look for chips, scratches, rust, dents, anything I see. With 6,000 miles, it's pretty mint, but let's get started. What is that? There's a chip there. Of course, it's 1999, so sitting around, I could get a chip every once in a while. Tires are still in good shape, rims look good. Little scuff there on top. Spot there at the bottom. It does kind of look like our mirror's messed up here. Look at that. Oh, it needs to be screwed back in. It looked like it came out. Like the threads on it. Huh. Well, I'll be checking that before I do the test drive. But that's the kind of stuff I'm here to catch, right? At least that's easy. And a leaf there. This thing's pretty easy to check out. The top's like new. I do have pictures of that as well. This comes up easy. Comes down easy too. But there's a button right here. Lifts right up. Shuts good. Door opens pretty good. It doesn't open really far though. I mean, that's not bad, but it's not a wide gap there to where you can get in your car. $6,000 miles, what it's showing. That's what it's got. That's a reflection there. Start it up. So they added a tach. All your gauges are working. Little chip here on the edge. Very quiet. Now I haven't taken it down the road yet, but I'm gonna put this at the end of the video anyways. Let her warm up a second, because it's 30-something degrees outside. I don't leave until my motor's warm. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available. MapleMotors.com. I do appreciate you sticking around, and I will see you in the next video. Now please hit that subscribe button. I'll keep these classic cars rolling your way.